Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use VOLTAREN gel. Yeah, VOLTAREN Emul gel. It is against your back pain. Yeah, take the area of your pain, the pain area, and do a little bit of this VOLTAREN on top and massage it a little bit. And this will help you to fight against the back pain. Yeah, so easy it is, as you can see. After you completed the task, washing your hands. Job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.